remove the 2 Phillips screws on the top right side. And all 4 screws on the side with the LED display. And remove the cover on this end. And you can see right inside there's a release for the ribbon cable. So you'll pull out on those little tabs, and then the ribbon cable will pull out. At that point, you can slide, exposing each of your 4 fuses. So just pop out your bad fuse and just push in and replace your new fuse. Same way for reassembly, just reverse the process. You want to slide that back closed. Make sure that each side of this is out to insert the ribbon cable back in. And once it's in, you'll push and reseat the ribbon cable. Add your cap. Make sure that your ground is in place for that screw and lined up. And reseat all your screws.